everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu and I create content around beauty. So if you are interested in more such video, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, like this video, share with your friends, family, and let's get into the video. Today's video I have some makeup recommendations which are under rupees 115. So they are all under 100, but one is little bit up MRP, so I was like 115. But you will always get discount on makeup is always on sale, so do wait for our sale, especially on drugstore products. There will be sale all the time. So yeah, if you want to know what are my top recommendation in makeup under 115 rupees, so let's get into the video. Okay, so the first product is this beautiful concealer. This is by the brand Insight Cosmetics, and these days this brand is really hyped up, really popular, and they are getting so much hype, and they worth the hype. I think the products are so bomb. Degree.com, and here the swatch. This is in the shade Golden Russet. It's slightly on the peachier side, so I can use this as corrector, but they have so many shades, you can get your shade easily. So this one is 110 rupees, but again you can get always some discounts on Insight. Recently Purple was having good sale where Insight product was like on a really good deal. So yeah, now we have this beautiful nail paint. Can you guys see? Look at it. I also have this right now. This was in the shade Mauve Magic, and it is such a pretty shade. I cannot remember the MRP, but I got it for a piece 45 or something. I will write the price here you can see. I will edit my videos and write the price here. But this is really pigmented. These were like 2 coats, and you can see they are highly pigmented. And this is a mauve shade, which is slightly leaning towards the cool tone. It's really pretty. I will highly recommend this shade. And then we have these Elitine nail paints. Now this is a beautiful brown shade. I really like this shade so much. Ever since I got this, I was continuously wearing this shade. This shade is so damn good. You can wear it to office, college, wherever you want. It's such a pretty nude shade, and this one was like 55 rupees. Wow, awesome. You can get so many nail paints which are like under 50 and they perform good. Okay, so yeah, now we have this beautiful lip liner, and this is by the brand Miss Claire. Now Miss Claire again make awesome products. I am from that YouTube days where Miss Claire soft lip creams were all the rage, and now nobody talks about them. So this is the swatch. This is in the shade Cotton Pink. I ordered another shade, coffee brown, but Nika didn't send me. Yeah, and they were like, show us the box, and I have already thrown the box. A really pretty shade, but yeah, that's the story. I will get that shade. That is really pretty brown nude. So yeah, now we have this beautiful eyebrow pencil. So this is by the brand Blue Heaven. Now Blue Heaven has improved so much, you guys. There was a time where Blue Heaven products were like very bad but now they are really good. When I was in college, they were really bad. So this is the Blue Heaven walk free eyebrow pencil basically. So as you can see, this has this tip, and I will swatch this. This was only in one shade, that is gray, but as you can see the shade is not that pigmented, so that's the good thing. But I like slightly taupey shade, brown shade. That's why I like eyebrow powders which have multiple shades, so I can mix and match and customize my shade. But yeah, if you were looking for a eyebrow pencil, you can try this one. This one was 80 rupees, but yeah, I got it for 50 rupees, 60 rupees, cannot remember the exact price, but yeah, it retails for 80 rupees. So the only downside is that this does not comes with a spoolie, and if you want a spoolie you might have to invest like a little bit more than 50 rupees. But the product is really good. I will recommend this. Okay, so now the next product is again Blue Heaven, and this is a beautiful a brown lip liner. I was about to say. So this is a really pretty liquid brown liner, and I will swatch it for you guys. And it looks too much of orange on camera, but it is a really dark brown shade, no need to worry. And this was just 55 rupees. Can you guys imagine? it was just 55 rupees, and it takes some time to dry. Let me give you the heads up. So this is the shade, and once it's set, it's not this light, you know, you are like, it's orangey brownish looking, but once it sets, it's have that, you know, neutral brown. It's look really pretty. The undertone of this one is so damn pretty. So yeah, the undertone of that one is so pretty. It's a very beautiful brown. Once it will set, I will show you again. And now we have this lipstick again by Blue Heaven. I have another shade. I don't remember where I kept that shade. That is a beautiful mauve nude, and this one is a plum shade. This is the shade 7. No shade name is written here, but they have shade names also. So if I will find out the shade name, I will mention. But this is a beautiful plum shade. It's really really beautiful plum shade. I bought this because I love purple, and I thought I will use it as a liquid liner. I have still not used it as a liquid liner, but this mixed with any nude lipstick, it just makes such a pretty mauve shade. So I really like this shade as a mixture shade to, you know, give any lipstick that mauve tone, which I really like mauve tone, as you can see my eyeshadow. And yeah, I highly recommend you. That one is so good. The lipstick is not at all drying, like ever so slightly drying. It's not like that sasta lipsticks, you know, which are like Sahara Desert dye. It is not that dry. It's very lightweight, very lightweight. You won't even feel like you have applied lipstick. But still, if you have dry lips like me, I will recommend use a lip balm, then use a lipstick. Okay, that's the best thing. Now the last product is this beautiful beautiful lip gloss. This is my new obsession. I am obsessed, you guys. I'm obsessed with this one, and this is such a pretty brownie nude. I have a cool tone eye, that's why otherwise I really constantly wearing this shade. If I didn't, you know, have this cool tone eye, I would have used this shade. And let me just swatch this. These are like really pigmented. You don't even need to wear a lipstick if you have pigmentation like me. I have slightly pigmented lips, so I was like, this will be sheer. Once first time when I got it, I was like, this will be sheer. But no, look, really really pigmented, and I have just taken a very little, and this is so pigmented. So you can, you know, skip lipstick, maybe use a lip liner and then just apply it. And this was 80 rupees. Yeah, and on sale you can get some off on this as well. But Inside Cosmetic has so many products that are 100 under rupees 100, and they perform, you know, so good, like a mid-range brand, at least to me. I really like them. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you will like this video. Give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share share my video with your friends and family, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.